In this episode of Culture Bank, we'll be looking at different wild animals and the names in ekegusii, so stick around please. Hello YouTube family, I'm so happy to see all of you that you're back on Culture Bank with this guy Mangi, and honestly, please, I'm grateful for those who've been subscribing, those who've been following since we began this. And today we'll be studying the names given to different wild animals, of course, different wild animals and the names in ekegusii. So let's do this. The first one is the warthog. The warthog in ekegusii is called embeche. Embeche is the warthog. Alafu ya pili is the crocodile. The crocodile inaitwa emamba. Emamba gose engoina. Engoina gose emamba. Of course, emamba is derived from Kiswahili, so inaitwa engoina na ya ekegusii. Then tabuate ekuro. Ekuro is the wild beast. The wild beast is called ekuro. Ekworo gose enyangau enyerere. Ekworo gose enyangau enyerere is given to the cheetah. Right, nabo ile tukuruka abantu bakuna kungaina na watu wakora watu madanganyana wanitamba diarachire. Embuni. Embuni is the ostrich. It's a flightless bird which is very fast and very big. Embuni is the ostrich. Enyambu is the chameleon. The chameleon is that animal that is very changing its currency as a coping mechanism of danger. Enyambu is the chameleon. A wild dog, I think I may have forgotten to mention this. An animal in ekegusii is called engiti. Engiti is an animal. We have two types of animals. We have domesticated animals, those are chingiti chogo tubwa. Domesticated animals are chingiti chogo tubwa, while wild animals wild animals are chingiti chiorosana. Orosana is the forest, so which makes wild animals to be the wild animals of the wild be chingiti chiorosana. So an animal nenyiti. Domestic animal is engiti yogotuwa. Even though we talk to nyomba, chiombe, chingoko, chisese, ebimoni, those kinds of animals. And then chingiti chiorosana are wild animals. So the wild dog inaitwa ese yorosana. Ese ritogotoara nyomba inaitwa ese. It's just a dog. Ese. Lakini a wild dog ni ese yorosana. The bear naitwa riurugenye. Riurugenye is the bear. The leopard ekoroku engo. Engo is the leopard. And then endo is the lion. Engo is the leopard. Then endo is the lion. Engo enene is the tiger. Engo is the leopard. Korende engo enene is the tiger. I'm going to stop right there for this episode. I believe we've caught the names that are given to different wild animals. We started with the warthog, it's called embeche. The crocodile called engoina. The wildebeest called ekuro. The cheetah called ekworo osenyangawenene. The ostrich called embuni. The chameleon called enyambu. The wild dog, that is ese yorosana. The bear, which is riurugenye. Engo, which is the leopard. Endo, which is the lion. And the tiger, which is engo enene. My name is Mangi. Neki ganchage kigusiga keba gusi won't speak or tin semo ton speech or gongorwa gusi. Please subscribe. To support me, please subscribe and share with the family and friends. Tell them gakinga different names given to chingiti chiorosana. Those are wild animals. Chingiti chiorosana. Mangi is the name. Culture Bank is the YouTube channel, and please subscribe to support.